Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's class, let's discuss about section and midpoint formula. First, let's study about section formula. Consider a line segment AB. Here, A and B are the end points of this line segment. Let the coordinates of AB x1, y1 and the coordinates of BB x2, y2. And let P be a point which divides this line segment in the ratio AP is to PB. P divides this AB in the ratio AP is to PB. Let's consider this as M1 is to M2. Now let's find the coordinates of this P. Let's consider this as XY coordinates of P by using a given formula. So the coordinates of P can be found out by using a formula. Pxy is equal to the first coordinate is x coordinate and that can be found out by m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, that is the x coordinate, and this is the formula used to find the x coordinate. And for y we can write this as m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So the coordinates of P, that is x and y, can be found out by using this formula. For finding out the value of x, we can use this expression, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and for y we can use the formula m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Here m1 and m2 are the ratios. On what ratios? The line AB is divided by the point P, and x1 y1 as well as x2 y2 are the coordinates of the end points A as well as B. So by using this particular expression we can find the coordinate of x and y when the ratios are given, that is m1 is to m2 is given. Also, the same expressions can be used to find the ratio when any one of the coordinate or both the coordinates of the P is known. So, the same expression, if we know the value of x or y, we can consider that particular value and use the same formula to find the given ratio m1 is to m2. Let's solve few questions on the same. Consider the first question. Find the coordinates of P which divides A13 and B59 in the ratio 1 is to 2. So consider the line segment AB, and A is having the coordinates 13 and B is having the coordinates 59. And P is a point, and this P divides this line segment AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. So M1 is 1 and M2 is 2. Let's find the coordinates of P xy, that is the coordinates of P are xy, and we have the formula to find the x coordinate. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. We know what is x1 y1. The coordinate of A is x1 y1 and the coordinates of B is x2 y2. Let's find the first coordinate, that is x. X is equal to, the formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So we know what is m1. m1 is 1 and m2 is 2. m1 1 into x2. x2 is 5 here. This is x2. 1 into 5 plus m2. m2 is 2. 2 into x1, the first coordinate here, x1 is 1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 is 1, 1 plus 2, and that's equal to 5 plus 2 divided by 3, and that is 7 by 3. So the first coordinate, x coordinate, is 7 by 3. Similarly, we can find the y coordinate. Y is equal to, same formula. Here instead of x value we have to use the y values. m1 is 1 into y2. y2 is 9 plus m2 is 2 into y1 is 3 divided by 1 plus 2. m1 is 1 and m2 is 2, and that's equal to 9 plus 6 by 3 that is 15 by 3. If we cancel this, you get this as 5. Therefore, the coordinates of P are Pxy is equal to P 7 by 3, 5. These are the values of x and y, or this is the coordinates of P 7 by 3 and 5. Look at the next question. In what ratio is the line joining 2 minus 3 and 5 6 divided by x-axis? So if you consider the line segment AB, A and B are the end points here, and this line joining 2 minus 3 and 5 6. So here this is 2 minus 3 and this is 5 6. This line segment AB is divided by the x-axis. This is the x-axis here, and the line segment AB is divided by x-axis, and the point P is xy here. Since this line segment is divided by the x-axis, the value of y will be 0, and this changes to x 0. The value of y is 0 because the line segment is passing through the x-axis, or the x-axis is passing through the line segment. And here we need to find the ratio on which the line segment AB is divided by the x-axis. On what ratio the line segment AB is divided by this x-axis. That is what we need to find, the ratio m1 is to m2. So as per the formula, we have x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now when you consider the point P here, we know the value of y. Y is equal to 0. Since it is divided by the x-axis, the value of y is equal to 0. So we need to consider the second part of the expression or the equation. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. And we have x1 y1 here. This is x1 y1. The coordinates of A is x1 y1 and the coordinates of B is x2 y2. Let's substitute the values in the second expression. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. The value of y is 0 here. So 0 is equal to m1. That's the first term of the ratio we need to find out. So m1 into y2. Y2, the value of y2 is 6 plus m2. M2 is the second term of the ratio. m2 into y1. The value of y1 is minus 3 divided by m1 plus m2 here. So we have substituted the values of y as well as y1 and y2. Now we need to simplify this, cross multiply this. We will get 0 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2. Bring 3m2 to the other side. We get this as 6m1 is equal to 3m2. Bring m2 to the denominator here and 6 to the other side denominator. This will be m1 by m2 is equal to 3 by 6. On cancellation, this will be 1 by 2. Therefore, we can say that m1 by m2 is equal to 1 by 2, and that implies m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 2. So, the line segment AB is divided in the ratio 1 is to 2. The x-axis divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. Now these questions are for you. You can solve it and let me know the answer. Find the coordinates of P which divides a line segment joining A minus 4 6 and B 3 minus 5 in the ratio 2 is to 3. Here the ratio is given, x1 y1 as well as x2 y2 is given. You need to find the ratio m1 is to m2. In the next question, in what ratio is the line joining 2 minus 4 and minus 3 6 divided by y-axis? Here you need to find the ratio. The x1 y1 value as well as x2 y2 value is given, and the line is divided by the y-axis. So here when the line is divided by y-axis, you have to consider the coordinates as 0 and y. Since the line is divided by y-axis, x value remains 0 always and y value will be y. So remember this coordinates of P is 0, y, and substitute and find the ratio in this question. That's all for now. We'll meet in the next class with more sums on the same topic. Thank you.